Hello folks, today I want to talk about something. It is frigid cold, as you can see in the environment around here. Very, very cold. And what we have going here is that we're trying to keep the water from freezing. This is an old trick that we see. It happens, we use it all the time. It's a great idea to leave the water running. But with this application, what we're doing is, if you could barely see the water dripping and running down into the hole here. And we got these holes here that we've been excavating. And what the problem with this is that, number one, we have a frost line of approximately 32 inches deep, right? And so when I got this ground, it's almost 30 inches deep already, and I got it full of ice from the water running, and of course I'm getting major erosion happening right here. That's my frost line. It's getting down below my frost line. Now what I really wanted to share with you is what can happen, and it's not happening yet, and if it stays cold, it's going to happen to this house right here. It's going to get underneath the footings and it's going to blow it. And what I mean by that, it's going to literally heave this house up in the air. Now hopefully what will happen before that is this big iceberg that's coming out of here, as you can see right here, it'll freeze up solid, and by the time it freezes up, hopefully it'll freeze up before it gets any deeper and gets any worse here, and it's really getting close anyway. But what's going to happen is that it's going to fill up with freezing. It's going to fill up, and then it's going to go straight up in there, and it's going to go right into the house. And if they're not here, it can literally flood the house. Bad news in this kind of weather, very cold weather. But folks, beware of letting the water run. Think about what you're doing. Great idea, but you just want to make sure you're not causing other problems. Thanks for watching our videos, folks. Hit like and subscribe. Share with your friends. We greatly appreciate all your help. God bless.